Welcome back.
Hi guys.
Today is the first video in a series of videos where we're going to show you guys how us old people manage to raise meat rabbits like these.
We've been raising meat rabbits, New Zealand's specifically, for about 3 years.
We want to show you guys some of our rabbits. Here is Coolio, the blue New Zealand buck. Here is Violet, the beautiful broken blue doe with a couple of her kits. And here's Zuzu, one of our REW does, along with a couple of her kits. The rest are in the back. Here is Clarence, our REW buck.
During the series, we also want to show you guys this nest box design that we have. It's different than most that we've ever seen before anyway. And what you can do is this actually detaches from the back of the hutch area. So this is a separate area, kind of like a little apartment for the kids. So I want to show you guys what we got going on inside. Can you guys see in there? Look, now this particular litter, these kits are probably, I don't know, 20 days. These kits are around 24 days old or so they're kind of older and all, but notice there's only 4 in here. And this is kind of a separate little place that they can go so they're not bothering mom so much. Do you want me to grab you again? Oh, look at these guys. This is a big one. This guy here.
Okay, here, as you can see, we have, well, maybe you can. These are a little bit older kits. These are the grow outs that we put in these tractors that we built. And we built these, I think, the second year we had the rabbits. And we'll go into more detail why this kind of was a fail, but we're still utilizing them. These house all our grow outs.
This video series is going to take a few months to do because we want to follow along the whole life cycle, from getting the rabbits to the breeding to the kindling and so on and so forth. But first, we need to talk about something else.
Yeah, that's infrastructure, which means their housing, how we feed them, what they're gonna live in basically. And this time of the year where the breeding is suspended for now because it's summertime is a perfect time to cover all that aspect of getting your hutches set up and how you're gonna raise your rabbits.
So it will take a little while for us to put all this stuff together, but stick with us and we'll show you how older people can manage this.
Yes.
No worries, we got this, right?
We do.
Until next time.
Take care.